Hello everyone, I am Dr. Richa Sanmukhani, dermatologist, cosmetologist and hair transplant surgeon at Hair Free and Hair Grow, Ahmedabad Center. So today we are going to discuss one case. So as you can see in the photographs, can you make out that whether he has gone for hair transplantation or not, or can you suggest the months which has passed after the hair transplantation? Let us discuss this case and let us reveal the months later, the result he has got, what amount of time, that we are going to discuss this through the case. So before the hair transplantation, this was the case. He had this hairline recession. He had little bit of temples on both the sides. So usually in lower grades, we do not prefer making the temples. He has this crown recession. The crown has started reducing. Even the mid-scalp portion, there is a reduced density. Though he still has root in the mid-scalp and the crown portion. So we planned to go ahead with somewhere around 2,800 to 3,000 graft in this patient. And on the day of hair transplantation, we had designed this kind of hairline in consultation with the patient. We had decided not to go for the temple portion, but the front portion and little bit of the crown portion and the mid-scalp portion wherever he has gaps in between the hair. After the hair transplantation, you can see how it looked. So this is the density we have given him in the front. So as you can see, the front portion is completely full. Like as we go towards the mid-scalp portion and the crown portion, there is a reduced density which you can make out in the pictures. The mid-scalp portion and the crown portion look somewhere sparse than the front portion. So this is deliberately done. We can only put grafts like in the area where it is completely devoid of hair. We can just give you a very good density and we'll do the filling in the areas we already have. So as we can see in the first month, as this is the shedding phase, there is no growth in the first month till you can see hairline in the frontal area. This is because of you can make out that this area is transplanted. So most of his hair has shedded, but this is his existing growth. We have done this implantar FUE technique in this case. So the shedding is anyways less and the growth starts coming little fast. So in the second month onwards, he started having growth, a very fine growth which you can see in the front portion, and the existing hair looks quite normal. In the third month, he has got a quite good amount of growth as you can see in the photographs, and it has started merging with the existing hair. In fourth month, we usually expect very natural results. So this is his growth in the fourth month. The final result still takes time. We usually don't expect to get a very good amount of result in the fifth month or the sixth month. Whatever we achieve is approximately 60 to 70% of the growth which is actually going to come in the 12th month. But in this case, shockingly, we have very good results in fifth month. Day by day, we are doing advancement in our technique to give you better and better results. So this is the photograph which we had seen earlier. He has got a completely natural looking hairline, front look completely natural, even his temples and the other hair you can see in the mid-scalp portion where we have not done hair transplantation or we have just done the filling in the crown area. This area, the hair quality has improved a lot. This is because of the medications and the PRP we give it to the patient. Still, his front hairline is going to improve further. This is again not the complete result. This is going to improve 20-30% further in the 8th month and the 12th month. We will definitely be sharing you the photographs of this patient in the 8th month and 12th month. So stay connected with us for more videos. Please like us and subscribe our channel, and please follow us on Instagram and Facebook.